I am just happy with Shipshape. I think I made a great decision with you guys, and the service is wonderful. Peace of mind is there, and you think you're covered by your homeowner's insurance, but if it's a leak that's over maybe 2, 3 weeks old, you're not going to be covered by your insurance company because they think you should have found it and taken care of it and you didn't do it. That's what happened to my dishwasher. I didn't know it was leaking, and by the time I found out, then basically it was too late. I mean, we had over $9,000 in repairs to do. The floors were all soft, and they had to take the marble off the countertops. They had to take out all the cabinets and put them back in. It was a whole complete deal that they had to do. But what happened when I got the Shipshape water detector thing going, I called my insurance company and I asked them if there was any discount that I could get on my homeowner's insurance since I had the system. And the little girl in the office didn't know, but she checked, and they gave me a 20% discount, which was it was around $330 a year that I saved on homeowner's insurance. But to me, not just the insurance, it's peace of mind. You know, what I went through before when that leak happened on that dishwasher, and I had to fight them for months. I mean, months and months. It was a pain. And just knowing I'm not going to have to go through that again, that I can tell if I have a water leak, so I won't in the first place have the damage. And then if I know that I've got the service and it's being monitored, I don't have anything to worry about. You know, I can be gone or, you know, out of town or whatever, and I know I'm protected.